If you're looking for child seats for bikes, this video is for you. My name is Emma, your personal guide. Welcome to our channel. At any time you can click this circle in the corner, and get more info and real-time deals on your favorite products. Ready? Let's start. Number 1, Bestseller, by Bellelli. Watch this video, choose your favorite. Number 2, by WeeRide. Number 3, by Avenir, designed by Raleigh. For more info and great child seats for bikes, just click this circle. Number 4, by Yepp. Number 5, by Hamax. For more great related products, full details and online deals, just click this circle.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.